Hello, my name is Seth Frazier, and welcome to the Oregon Tech Alumni Finder. This is a web app built for the Oregon Tech University Development and Alumni Relations staff to help plan alumni connections and events. Here we see a splash screen on the map's initial load. We can click anywhere to get rid of the splash screen. We focused the area on just the Western United States, as that was the main concern for the department. Some of the needs that the department wanted to see was the selected college. At OIT, they have two colleges or schools, the School of ETM, Engineering, Technology, and Management, and the School of HAS, Health, Arts, and Sciences. Within those two schools resides all of the degrees, except for a few that run through the Oregon Health and University, Oregon Health Science University, or OHSU. Let's go ahead and run through a scenario that a staff member might do. First off, we see that this is just the Western United States. If we hover over an area like this or here, we can see the polygon that represents the area that the number has. So in other words, within this polygon, there's 12,403 alumni that reside within that area. So let's go ahead and use this College of ETM to show us a broad overview of all of the alumni within this College of ETM. Here we see only the majors that reside within the College of ETM. Same is true for all that fall within HAS and past use programs. We'll use past use programs. These alumni typically are of the older generation, and many of these degrees do not exist in any form on the campus anymore. Now let's go ahead and do diesel technology. Diesel technology was a pretty big program. Here we see all the years that this degree was offered, up to 93, which is most likely the last year the degree was offered. Here we only see two alumni, one who resides in Newberg, Oregon, and one who lives in Chiloquin, Oregon, which is just outside of Klamath Falls, Oregon. If we zoom in, we'll see that neither of these dots reside in at an address. This was to avoid any unethical situations mapping out alumni. One of the things that the department asked is that they have only the alumni who are married. In this case, there's the one that lives in Chiloquin. This one is married to other alumni, to be correct. We take that off, we can do that. If we select the all on the select college, this brings us back to all of the alumni that reside within the United States, or Western United States. One of the issues that the department has is that they can't spatially see this data. So let's go ahead and click in. With their current setup, they can't see this data because they use Riser's Edge, which does not have a spatial component. So here in this greater Spokane area, we can see the clustering of students or of alumni who live in this area. Let's go ahead and just do College of HAS. And let's be very specific on the major, the year, and again, the years are only those that are found in the data for those two selections, and event married. Here we see that we are lucky there's only one. We can zoom out to see if there's others, and in this case there are 2 others that reside in the Pacific Northwest. We can also change the street map. And let's go ahead and just click into an area just to see. This region is a code that the school uses, or that the department uses within the office for mailings and other such needs. And this is also found as a field in Riser's Edge. We zoom out, we can see all of the alumni again. We can go back to the main map now. Up here in the upper right hand corner, we do have a little bit about this map, which just brings up the splash screen. We can go to the Oregon Tech website, or the information about me, the map author. In the future, I hope to migrate this map to and make it better and more servable for the department, in hopes that they'll be able to utilize this as a great tool. I want to thank you for participating in this walkthrough, and I hope you find it of use. Thank you.